Hello beautiful peoples, today I'm going to tell you how you can delete any user account from your Windows 10. For this, type control panel in the search bar. Open the control panel. Now click on user accounts. Now again click on user accounts. Now click here on manage another account. Make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Now click on the account you want to delete and click on delete the account. Now if you want to delete the files that are in the user account you are deleting, you can click on delete files. If you want to keep the files that are in the user account you're deleting, then click on keep files. It will create an extra folder in your administrator account to check it. Now click on delete files and click on delete account again. Now you can see the account is disappeared. It means it is deleted. Now that's how simple it is to delete an user account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.